Hopefully it'll get in stronger. That 007, man, have a good day.
Oh, yeah, you're damn right. I showed him how to fix it. I told him I was a genius. It's your right, Chappie. Now, who was it over there said I got their ears down up? Who was it over around the west side? I heard you when you said, but I didn't quite catch who you was. Morning time wave over around the west side. Ain't nobody but 302 around Alabama standing by. Not just 553 around the Monica there. We ain't sounding all kind of good over here around Fort Payne, Alabama. I appreciate you bumping it down. Yes, I am 302, just like your friend over there, Danny boy. 302, boss, around a big band with the wave. I'm back on the mail. I'm barefoot too. Don't feel alone. I'm barefoot too.
I knew it was this time.
Yeah, when I first got into radio as old man, I think I was about 14, 15. That's what the old timers used to do with me. They used to play with me all the time. Here I am thinking I'm talking to Skip, way out of state. No worries. Barefooted off the toilet bowl pipe, those stinger pipe. You seen up airways are break.
BaseBallMan. Hey, nobody with that BaseBallMan in
Yeah, there's already a outhouse control out there on the west side. Now you going about a shithouse control to break. Hey, I tell you what, that sounds like a good idea. My